Now the geometry is ready, the materials are defined, the boundary condition and the initial condition are defined, so we can run our study. The mesh is already did too, so we need to specify the time span of our study. I will put up to 600 minutes because our piece of meat needs several hours to be frozen. So it is relevant to realize that here is the time span of our study, and this one is just saying that our results will be plotted just 1 by 1 minute, but our results, and our problem is transient, and when a relevant issue is the time step. You can check the time step doing show default solver here, and then check time step solver and time stepping, and here you can specify if you want some maximum time step, because some problems are really stiff and you need to specify really small time steps. Yeah, so now we can solve our problem. Let's compute the solution. We have a big number of elements, so will not take too much time, depends on each computer. Once done, the solution looks like that. You can look for another time, for example, what happened after an hour, and at the end of the time, for example, or for example 400 minutes, and then the end of the time 10 hours basically. You can change the properties of the surface, for example the range. The range here is from these two values, but I will use, for example, the temperature of the chamber and the initial condition. And then well, actually you can change the style. For example, rainbow is a good style. At the beginning, we can check that at the beginning all the domain is well, there's a problem with the data. I will use this value, and then check. At the beginning is at the already at the initial temperature, then at 1 hour, and let's check, for example, 5 hours, 300 minutes here, and then at 500 minutes. Well, our goal is to reach this temperature, so we need some more time, and then let's put one more hour here. Yeah, now the goal is reached.